Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Cebu Realty, the real estate channel in the Philippines. This afternoon, I'm going to take a video of a three-story house in Mabolo inside subdivision. I'm going to show you now. I'm here now on the second floor because in the ground floor is not yet clean. There are lots of paint cans down below. So this is one of the bedroom here on the second floor. That's the wardrobe here. So there is a own toilet and bath. And this is the master's bedroom. Here is the shower area. So this is how it's looked like, the master's bedroom. Right now they are still doing for placing the furniture inside the bedroom. So this sige lang sir, okay lang sir. Importante na siya idea. So this is the second toilet and bath. It has a separate toilet and for the bath area. This is intended for the 2 bedrooms. Hot and shower is provided.
Una lang po.
Sige sir. Thank you. Sige sir, thank you.
Thank you.
There are 3 bedrooms on the second floor. Master's bedroom has their own toilet and bath, and the 2 other bedroom has a common toilet and bath. Each bedroom has its own wardrobe. There's a water tank right there. Let's go up on the 3rd floor. This is how it's looked like from the 3rd floor. You can use this area according to your needs. It can be a music room, and there is a toilet here. And bath also. This one has a bedroom with a toilet and bath also. So total bedroom on the second floor and third floor is 5. Thank you for watching Cebu Philcar Realty. See you in the next video. Bye.